Okay, so here we are at that rating schedule. All right, at this point, we've decided on the condition. We've done that 3 elements check using the guidebook to see if that claim is strong or weak in terms of the evidence that we have. And now we're at the rating schedule. All we're going to do is take this language and put it on the 3 element statement that we're going to send up to the VA. All right, for this one, we're filing for depression. So, and here we go right here. Here's the general rating formula for mental disorder. All right, so these are the symptoms. This is the rating. As always, have this symptom, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. All right? Symptoms, rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating. Okay, so what we're talking about with our conditions specifically is things like depressed mood, anxiety, hyper-awareness, things of that nature. So, what we're thinking is that it may more than likely be around that 30%, right? Depressed mood, suspiciousness, mild memory loss, some sleep impairment, right? A little bit of insomnia that we're dealing with. So we would take this language right here from 30% rating, since we believe that's what we're likely dealing with. And we would just take this language, put it right on that 3 element statement, right? Already have the template laid out for you. We add this language and then we send it up to the VA. All right, so now we'll take you to the form so you can see exactly what that language looks like before we send it up to the VA. All right, let's do it. Okay, so here we go, right? Here's that 3 element statement. All we did again, before you file Guidebook, answer those questions, take the answers, put them in that 3 element template, and then use that template to get what we have right here. So now, all we're gonna do, copy and paste this language and put it right onto that VA Form 21-413A.
Do you think the VA claims process can be difficult, stressful, or even chaotic at times? If so, we made the Before You File Guidebook to help you keep your claim simple and organized. The VA claims process can make you feel overwhelmed, frustrated, or even pissed off. So we made the Before You File Microlearning Course to help you feel comfortable and confident when you walk into that office to file your VA claim. Get the products and enjoy the benefits. Now back to the show.